So this is heavy duty polycloth. What we did was we pre-shrunk. This was the seamed edge, the straight edge. So we pre-shrunk that to 340 degrees to get all of the shrinkage out of it. And then we went here about 320. And then we polybrushed that on and let it dry overnight. Then we came over here and we pulled this. This had been pre-shrunk to about 320, more or less to about here. Then what we did was we pulled this down and we shrunk this so there was no redundancy on this edge, and we still had some wrinkles here. Then what we did was we painted this with polybrush. And then we pulled it down under tension till there was almost no wrinkles left here. And then we took a piece of cardboard and we stapled the cloth under tension all the way down so that we just had a bare little bit of wrinkles. Then we let this dry overnight. We painted that, let it dry overnight, and in the back. So now it's fixed at 4 points. Then we came back over it at 340, then 350, and now we have a nice flat surface. Now what we're going to do, if we had put polybrush all the way across, we wouldn't be able to shrink it easily. And we want this to be perfectly flat. But also we want it to get a good attachment to the bottom. So the trick we're going to use here, this is a 60 cc syringe with an 18 gauge needle.